Good morning, everybody. So I've got a new project for us today. Several years ago I cut this cookie out. It's a big old slab of who knows what. I have no idea what kind of tree it is. But I want to make an end table out of it. I made a live edge table a little while in the past and everyone and their brother was hitting me up to try and make them one. So this will be a good gift to somebody. As you can see, it is a bear. It looks like it might be oak, but I'm honestly not sure. I'll know once I chop into it a bit. But the first thing you'll notice is that I've got two different planes going on here. That's not going to be good. Well, it would take me about 5 years to get through that with a router sled, and I just don't want to do that to myself. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to attack it with a chainsaw and hope for the best. Let's get started. So a quick word on routers if you're going to do this. I'm going to be using this probably older than me Makita router. You want something with a fair amount of horsepower, so a fair amount of torque. You want a fairly hefty bit to get through this. So I'm using an incredibly dull bit that's in this already because it's stuck in there and I can't get it out. So this router has malicious intent and I'm pretty sure it wants to kill me every time I use it. So I would highly recommend you get a better router than this $20 picked up at a yard sale piece of you know what.
Perfect.
So after a lot of noise and a lot of dust, we've got the slab pretty much flat. So as you can see, there was a little tear out up through here, which I'm going to rectify right now with a belt sander. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a heavy grit belt sander and I'm going to knock this whole surface down and I'm going to hit it with a random orbit. So both sides are pretty much reasonably flattened, as flattened as they can be. Obviously I'm still contending with this. But the hairpin legs I'm going to be using, I can bend to account for that and make this table level. So right now we're going to hit it with the belt sander and we're going to see how it looks. So it's finally time to get finished on this thing. So we're going to be going for a high gloss polyurethane. As you can see, I've got it propped up on two pieces of coincidentally oak. And I think it's going to look pretty cool, man. Some of these scratches I couldn't get out, but I left them in anyways just for the kind of rustic feel. I don't think they detract from the piece at all. Let's get started. First coat of polyurethane's on. It still looks a little splotchy, but that's how it always is with the first coat. The second coat is what really makes it pop and really makes it stand out. And then the third and fourth coats really add depth and color to the piece. This stuff soaked the poly right in, so I laid it on really thick. In general, the rule that you want to keep in mind with polyurethane is just avoid runs and avoid puddles. You see I've got a little puddle right here that I may have to mop up. But the grain's coming out really good. It accentuated the darker areas without making them overwhelming, which is great. I'm really liking how it looks. I'm totally into it. But I've been in the shop long enough today. I'm going to come in tomorrow and put the second coat on this thing and we'll see how it looks then. See you soon. Thanks so much for tagging along to watch me build this awesome coffee table. I had a lot of fun making this thing. I love how it came out. It's got this total old pirate shippy weathered thing going on, which I really dig it. I think it's awesome. These dark stains, the dark spots, the black spots that were from the wood being oxidized outside and molded, I think they add so much character. I just think it's awesome. Live edge tables are a reasonably easy project to get into making your own furniture, but it's so rewarding. It's just got that rustic, beautiful feel, and they kind of accent a modern home, like you can see. That's kind of the aesthetic that I like going for and that my family likes going for. I'm not keeping it though. I'm either giving it away or selling it pretty much as soon as possible. So there's fun while it lasts, old buddy. Like and subscribe to the channel, guys. I post woodworking content, I post metalworking content, and I just started a new job, so I can't post videos as frequently as I have in the past, but I'm still trying to get at least one video out every week to you guys. So for the people that have asked me to make an axe or start a Bowie knife build or build a sword, I haven't forgotten about you. I am going to make your video. It's just going to take a little bit longer. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you all soon. You have a great day.